Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to create a form in Monday.com for 2025. If you're using Monday.com for project management, team collaboration, or tracking workflows, forms are a game changer. They let you collect information effortlessly, automate tasks, and keep everything organized. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to your workspace. It's the hub where all your boards and projects live. If you don't have a board yet, go ahead and create one by clicking the Create button and selecting Board. This is where your form will connect. Next, navigate to the board where you want to add the form. Look for the Add or Automations section. Depending on the 2025 updates, it might be under Widgets or Integrations. Click on Forms to start building. Monday.com makes this super intuitive, so you'll see options to customize your form from scratch. Now, for the fun part, customizing your form. Add fields like text boxes, drop-down menus, or even date pickers to suit your needs. Think about what information you want to collect, maybe client details or team feedback. Don't forget to name your form and add a description to make it user-friendly. You can also set up notifications so you're alerted when submissions come in. Once your form is set up, hit Save and test it out. Submit a sample response to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, share your form by generating a link or embedding it on your website. That's it. You've just created a powerful tool in Monday.com. If you run into any issues, check the Help Center or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.